What did you just say? She literally just said, I don't know anything about Facebook. That's older people stuff. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Angel, our sweet Angel.
Hello.
And Angel is demonstrating for us today the hand pie and pocket maker that came out, I think it was last fall. So I'm going to switch the camera around and she is going to show us what all she is doing. Angel is 5 feet of fantasticness. No, did I give you too much? 4'11"?
No, yeah, 5 feet, 5 feet.
She's I think she's 4'11".
I'm 5 feet.
And Gavin brought her into our life and our Miracle Mondays as they've been dating for 2 years. So what all, go ahead and finish. Okay. So you've egg washed the sides of this. You filled it with your pepperoni and your cheese.
My 2 cheeses.
Did you put the Italian seasoning in it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so she's using the little pocket maker. And we're just making little mini calzones. Perfection. Look how cute that is. And it fits in your teeny tiny hands. And now we're going to egg wash the top. And then I believe we've been experimenting with this, everything but the pizza. We're putting that on top of it for some added flavor. And then we're doing this Italian seasoning, which I've heard really great things about because it's so much flavor inside. So these are going to be super flavorful. And we've just got her set up here, right here at the table with her Minnie Mouse apron. Okay, so take us now to your next one. So you're starting a new one.
So I put flour on it first.
Okay, so we're flouring the little pocket maker.
Not much. I'll take one.
We're putting our little round, and we cut these rounds by using this little guy that came with it. So if we wanted to make a full, like a hand pocket, we would just use 2, but because we wanted to do it in half, we're using the little adapter guy. But this is what we use to cut our rounds. And then she's grabbing some cheese, grabbing some pepperonis. Yummy, yummy. And because we like multiple cheeses, we've got some Parm and Romano. And then Pampered Chef seasoning, because that makes everything better. Alright. And then we've got our egg wash, which we're using our silicone basting brush. And use the 1 cup prep bowl for the egg. And this is where you can see that she's a bit of an artist, because I would have just like slathered it on. So Angel, what are you in school right now for? What are you going to college for?
Art therapy.
Art therapy. So did I say she was an artist? Yes. And this is where you can see it with the egg wash. And just like before, pushing it together. And then we're going to put these, so cute. So we're going to put these in the air fryer for 7 minutes on bake. Right?
Yes.
Okay. And there you have it. There is Angel showing us, with her sweet angel smile, how to use our hand pie and pocket maker to make little mini calzones. All right, let me know if you have any questions or if you try this out. I really want to know.